Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla, and here we love to talk about all things luxury beauty, luxury makeup, high-end beauty, high-end makeup, which, as I always say, is kind of the same thing, but I feel the need to say both luxury and high-end. So today, y'all, we are gonna be talking about the new, and I don't wanna pick it up, and I'll tell you in a minute why. I'm a little nervous. This new Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette in the Smoky Eyes Are Forever. So I saw this palette and I thought it was gorgeous, okay? But I'm trying to be more mindful about my spending when it comes to makeup. And I was trying to choose between this one and the Mcgrath palette, the new holiday one. And I ended up on the Mcgrath. Well, I know I've talked about her before, but my makeup bestie, she got this in the mail and it was broken. And they told her just to keep it and they sent her another one. So I was able to salvage the broken one because I was like, I'm gonna make this work. And honestly, I am so glad that I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show it to y'all. Oh Lord, see, look, it's already falling apart. Lord have mercy. So this shade came broken, and then whenever I was trying to clean it up, I flipped it over and this one fell out into the sink. So it's just a little harder for me to work with, but I am going to make it work. So if you want to see swatches, if you want to see how I created these two looks, then just keep watching. Okay, so first I am going to swatch it for y'all before I do a look. I'm gonna try to pick this up to where y'all can see it, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. So, ooh. Okay, I hope y'all can see this. So first I'm gonna swatch these three shades in the Love Eyes trio. So this one, and then this one. This is that first shade, which I know is gonna look exactly like my skin. Yeah, like you can barely even see that, but it's okay. So that's the first shade in the Love Eyes trio. And I forgot to mention that first shade is a matte. This is the second shade in the Love Eyes trio, and it is very shimmery and beautiful. So definitely like a pretty rose gold shimmer. Here is that third shade in the Love Eyes trio. Pretty shimmery champagne color with like a pink undertone. This little trio right here, like all three of those shades would be such pretty like one and done shades. So next I'm gonna swatch this Power Eyes trio. So these three shades right here. Here's the first one, and it is a matte. It's a very pretty warm brown that would be beautiful in the crease. Okay, this next one I think is maybe the one I'm most excited for. It's the green, and y'all know I love my greens. Okay, so that's a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be, but oh my goodness. It's almost got like a duochrome kind of shift to it. Like I know it's not gonna pick up on camera, but it's so pretty. Third shade in the Power Eyes trio. Again, a very pretty like metallic, not too shimmery, but it is metallic, like chocolate brown. So pretty, that trio for fall. So next I'm gonna swatch this trio right here called Happy Eyes. This is that first shade in the Happy Eyes trio. Just a very pretty, like coppery, almost like a dark gold kind of color. Very shimmery, very pretty. This is the second shade in the Happy Eyes trio. This one's like a true like metallic copper. So stunning for fall. This is the third shade in the Happy Eyes trio, and it is a matte. Last but not least, I'm gonna swatch this Confident Eyes trio. This is that first shade, that kind of purpley shimmery shade. Okay, that is really pretty. It too, I'll have to look in the description, but it too kind of looks like almost a duochrome. Super pretty. Here's the second shade in the Confident Eyes trio, just a true matte brown, chocolate brown. Last shade in the Confident Eyes trio is this matte black. Okay, so all of those were like super, super pretty. They were very creamy and blendable. So stunning. So I think what I'm gonna do, just so I can use as many shades as possible, is I am going to create 2 different eye looks. First, what I'm gonna do is go in with this BK Beauty number 201 into that this shade right here, and I'm just gonna put it on both of my lids since it is so close to my skin tone. Okay, so since it is fall, I really want to play with the Power Eyes and the Happy Eyes trios. They're really speaking to me, okay? So, so first I'm going to play with this oh my gosh, I'm so scared it's gonna fall out. This Power Eyes trio. And I'm first gonna go in with this matte shade right here. And I'm actually gonna go in with this little brush that I think came with it. I'll have to ask my friend, or if she just gave this to me. I forgot to ask. Either way, thank you. So I'm gonna go in with this little Charlotte Tilbury brush. So that was super pretty, super easy to work with. Honestly, I think it would have been easier had I used a softer, more fluffy brush. It just was kind of hard with that one. It was more dense than I thought, so it's kind of hard to like blend it out as much as I wanted. But it's not the shadow itself. I think it was the brush. So next I'm gonna go into this deepest shade right here in the Power Eyes trio with a Sonia G Mini Booster, and I'm gonna kind of work that in the outer corner of my eye. So pretty. So I mean, obviously I'm gonna clean all this up once I do my base. It looks kind of crazy right now, but it will be cleaned up. So now, oh, I'm so excited about this one. I'm gonna go into this green shade right here, and I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna pop it on my lid. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me tell you something. If you are a type of person that is afraid of greens, this is the kind of green that, like, if you want to dip into it, this is the one or the type of shade that you need to start out with. It's so pretty. And like, it's green as you can see, but it's very, very wearable because it has almost like a gold undertone. Oh my gosh, look at this. And it's so creamy. Like, I had to barely pick up any product to get this amount of pigmentation. And it's just so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna play with this Happy Eyes trio. And first I'm gonna go into this center shade right here with a Wayne Goss number 16 and work that into my crease. Now this is a metallic, which some people don't like putting metallic shades in their crease, but like, it's really pretty and I don't mind. So that's what I'm doing. Well, that's stunning. I'm actually gonna take this BK Beauty brush that I use for that lightest shade and just kind of go over the top to blend it out. That is so, so pretty. So now I'm gonna go into this deepest matte shade right here, and I cleaned off my Sonia G Mini Booster, and I'm gonna work that into the outer corner as well. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I love it. I absolutely love it. And like, that was so easy to work with, like so creamy. So now I'm gonna go into this last shade just with my finger and pat it onto my lid. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I will say that that shade as compared to this green shimmer metallic shade, it had a little bit more pickup when I put my finger in it. That's why you can see some of it underneath my eye. But like, as far as actual fallout from any of these shades, there's like none, which is insane. I did have my primer on, the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Eye Primer. But even whenever I put that on, like if a shadow is gonna have fallout, like it still has fallout, and these essentially had none. So I don't even know what to say. I just keep looking at how pretty they are. Okay, I have not been this excited about a Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette in a long time, and I see myself getting a lot of use out of this one. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish up my face, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, so here is the finished look. Final thoughts, y'all. I am absolutely obsessed with this palette. Like, the shadows are so blendable and so creamy. The only other one of her holiday palettes, well, it wasn't even a holiday palette. I don't have any of the other holiday palettes, but I do have the Pillow Talk palette that's like this. And I mean, I like it and it's pretty, but I don't really reach for it that much because the shades, for some reason, pick up really orange on my skin, which is okay, but like, it's not something that I necessarily reach for every day. But this one, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. And so for something that I wasn't even going to buy, it really has been a pleasant surprise. So let me know in the comments down below, did you pick this palette up? If you did, what are your thoughts on it? Do you love it as much as I do? And again, if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there. If you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of our little fam. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.